Hello, this is Zippo Norway. I just received 2 packages in the mail today. And we're going to take a look what it is. Let's see if I can open this with one hand. This is the package from Germany. What do we got here? Let's see. Put this one over there. Let's see what I have received. I have received some Zippo fuel. Sorry for this crappy video. So I ordered 48 bottles of fuel. This is regular Zippo fuel. From Germany. I paid about, let's see, $1.50 per bottle, and in Norway I pay around $11 for one bottle, so it's almost 10 times cheaper in Germany than it is to buy it in Norway. So I ordered 48 bottles of fuel, and the second package I received, let's see, older Zippo. So there it is, USS. This is a used one. Come on, it's pretty nice. You can see the insert, it's and the wick. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, there you see it. But it's all in all a nice lighter. This was made in another oopsie. This is made in 1958. So this is my oldest Zippo I've got. So I've been collecting Zippos, but most of them are newer models. So this is the oldest I got. So that's that. So I got a package in the mail, 48 bottles of this Zippo fuel and this old Zippo. Okay, thank you for watching. See you later guys, bye.